So the previous ayah said that with these examples or with this Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala only misguides those who are al-fasiqeen. Now this next ayah is describing that who are al-fasiqeen. Look, this is the beauty of Quran. First of all, when it said that Allah misguides with it many, a question was raised in the mind. Allah first answered that question, and now to further elaborate that, Allah is describing for us that who is a fasik, who are the fasiqeen. So, allazina is a mawsul, yankuduna ahdallahi min ba'di misaki. This is a complete sentence, and this complete sentence is the sila. Now, let me remind all of us one point here. So allazina is a mawsul, and next whole thing, yankuduna ahdallahi min ba'di misaki. This is the sila. Now in the sila bucket, yankuduna, this yankuduna is fail mudare. It has built in file hum. So you got fail and you got file. Now yankuduna mean to break something. Yankuduna, they break. Please pay attention. They break. They break what? Ahdallahi. Ahad of Allah. So ahdallahi is the maf'ul. So yankuduna is the fail and file, and ahdallahi is the maf'ul, and inside of ahdallahi it is a mudaf ilayh as well. Okay. Now min ba'di misaki. Okay. Min is jar, ba'di is majroor. So jar majroor, but ba'di is connected with misaki because misaki is in jar status. So misaki, he is itself a mudaf ilayh, but this mudaf ilayh is becoming mudaf ilayh for ba'di, and ba'di and misaki together in the bucket of majroor. So min is jar. Please pay attention, everybody. Min is jar. It's a cluster here. So ba'di misaki majroor. Misaki, he itself is a mudaf ilayh, and badi and misaki is also a mudaf ilayh. So that's how they are connected. Okay. Now yankuduna is fail and file, ahdallahi maf'ul, and mim badi misaki is the muta'alliq. So you got fail, file, maf'ul, and muta'alliq, and this is the whole jumla which is in the role of sila. Okay. And mausul and sila together is the sifa for who? For fasikina. Why? Because in the last ayah was read that ma yudillu bihi illa al fasikin. Allah does not misguide only to the transgressors. Who are transgressors? Allazina, those who yankuduna, they break ahdallahi, the promise of Allah, mim badi, after misaki, he, after its contracting. Misaki, it's contracting, or it's promising, but you can say it's contracting. Okay. So those who break the ahad or the promise of Allah after its contracting. Okay. Now this vow is telling us that more is coming, which means that this allazina was is a mausul. This yankuduna ahdallahi min ba'di misaki, it is just one thing. More is coming. This vow is telling you that it is more to come. Yakta'una. Yakta'una mean to cut off something. To cut off something. So and yakta'una fail mudare. Okay, fail mudare number 3. So it is fail and it is file. Yakta'una is fail mudare, and it has a built-in file that is hum. Yakta'una, they cut off. Please pay attention. They cut off. Now the question is, they cut off what? Ma amarallahu bih. Ma is a mausul, Amar Allahu bihi is a complete jumla. I just put here MS for ism mawsool, MSL ism mawsool, and Amar Allahu bihi is the sila, SL sila. And mawsool and sila together. Brother Abdul Bari, look at this one now. Yakta'una, they cut off. They cut off what? Ma amar Allahu bihi. What Allah has commanded with. Right? So it means that ma amar Allahu bihi, this jumla, this relative clause, mawsool sila together, will be called fi mahalli nasab. You know why? Because it has performed the role of maf'ul. But is it clear now, brother Abdul Bari?
Yeah.
So we have seen all the examples that how mawsool sila together can be fi mahalli rafa, fi mahalli jar, and this one is fi mahalli nasab. And fi mahalli simply mean in the role of or in the place of. Right? Now, yakta'una was the fail and file. Ma amara Allahu, ma is a mawsool. Amara is the fail madi. Allahu is the outside file for amara, and bihi is a muta'alliq bil amara. Why? Because ma was ism mawsool, amara Allahu bihi was the sila. In the sila bucket, we said that amara fail madi, Allahu, because it is in rafa status, it will become the file for amara, and bihi will be called muta'alliq bil amara. So this sentence, the sila. So yakta'una, they cut off ma, what, amara, or you can say that they cut off that amar Allahu, Allah has commanded bihi, with it or to it, whatever you can say. You can check the translation, but bihi obviously is a jar majrur, which means with it or be it. Now, at this point, I want all of you to please listen one point very carefully. In the Quran, whenever you see amara to command something, now whatever is commanded, that will be attached with the ba preposition. As in this case, be he. Now, what is this he? It is not described for us, right? For example, ma amar Allahu be, and then after this ba, we are looking for what Allah has commanded. And Allah just said this preposition as this independent attached pronoun, he. Now, what does he mean? What does he mean? This he has been described in this form, ayusala. What should be joined? So basically, they yakta'una, they cut off. They cut off what? Ma amar Allahu bihi, what Allah has commanded with. Now the question is, what is that? Ayusala. This ayusala is actually the ayusala. We will say in this case that this ayusala is the badal. For who? For this he. Why? Why? Please pay attention. Whenever you have amara, after amara, the object or the thing which has been commanded, it comes with ba, preposition ba. In this case, with this ba, we only have this he. And this he is actually what? It's actually ayusala. So this he is actually being replaced with ayusala. That is how you can connect them together. So yakta'una, they cut off ma amar Allahu bihi ayusala, what Allah has commanded or what Allah has ordered to be joined. Yusala mean to join something. Okay. Now, but remember, don't forget this point. Ayusala. We have discussed in the previous ayah. This an, and then yusala is mudare. It was actually yusalu, but because of an, it has become yusala. That is one point. Second point is this an will be called masdariya.
Yeah.
And this yusala will not perform the role of a sentence anymore. It will perform the role of one word. And what is that one word? Actually, that one word is that what Allah commanded to be joined. That one thing is an yusala. Clear? So yaktauna ma amar Allah of yusala, and this whole sentence is connected with this one through this vow, and it has not ended yet. This vow is telling you that it is still the same subject. So they have one quality, this one, second quality, this one, and third quality is yufsiduna fil ard. Yufsiduna fil mudare, fil ardi. Jar majroor will be called muta'alliq. So yufsiduna is the fail plus file, which is hum, and fil ardi is the muta'alliq. Now, how would you label them? Please pay attention, because this yankuduna, this sentence, this one, yankudu, allazina is a mausul, right? Yankuduna ahdallahi min ba'di misaki. This first sentence will be called ma'atuf alay. Ma'atuf alay. And this one will be called ma'atuf number 1. Ma'atuf number 1, and this one will be called ma'atuf number 2. So we have allazina is a mausul, and then ma'atuf with its two ma'atuf alay together will become the sila. So allazina is a mausul, yankuduna all the way till fil ard. This whole thing will be the sila. But how would you label them? You will label them by saying that this is ma'atuf alay, this is ma'atuf number 1, this is ma'atuf number 2, and this waw or atifa. This is basically only one relative clause in which allazina is a mausul, and from here all the way till here is the sila, and they are connected to each other through these vowels. So this was a explanation. And then the last part, ulaika mubtada, humul khasiruna is the khabar. In the khabar part, again, hum is the mubtada, al khasiruna is the khabar. So this is ulaika mubtada and humul khasiruna khabar, and inside the khabar we have a complete jumla, humul khasir, ulaika. Now, those are the ones, or those are humul khasiruna, or you can say those are the ones who are al khasiruna, the ultimate losers. Because we know that when we have this construction, ulaika was mubtada, actually, please pay attention. In reality, ulaika was mubtada and khasiruna was the khabar, right? But when you bring a pronoun, independent pronoun between mubtada and khabar, when this comes, it becomes emphatic jumla, and it has the meaning of emphasis. So instead of saying they are loser, now you can say they are the ones who are ultimate loser. Al khasiruna, ultimate losers. Okay, in this way you can